This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you 6 secrets about Amazon Prime Day that every Amazon customer should know. If this video helps you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. So I'm an Amazon seller and I know how to set up Amazon discounts on Amazon for customers. And what I'm going to be telling you today are the 6 secrets that I've discovered about Amazon Prime Day, which can help you as you're sorting through all the stuff that's available on Amazon Prime Day, which, as many people know, it's actually 2 days now. So the first thing that people should know is that only certain types of products are offered on Amazon Prime Day. And Amazon tells sellers that the product either has to be brand new or the product has to have at least a 3.5 star rating. If it doesn't have a 3.5 star rating, like let's say it's a 2-star rating, it will never appear on Amazon Prime Day unless it's a special vendor, and that could be Amazon itself or one of these very high-level Amazon partners that likes to sell on Amazon. But for most other goods, it has to be at least 3.5 stars, and the seller also has to have a very high rating on Amazon. So that's number one. Number two, most sellers have to offer at least 20% off. So let's actually take a look at the premium beauty products that are available on Amazon Prime for the current Prime Day. And you can see, indeed, almost all of the amounts are at least 20% off. In many cases, they're a lot more. They're 20 or 30 or 40, or this one is 53% off. And that's often because, for this type of item at least, these are high margin items and the sellers can afford to discount them pretty seriously. But 20% is the minimum for sellers who are taking advantage of the Prime Day deals, as you can see on this particular example. Number 3 would be Prime Day deals are unique for Prime Day. So you can see that it says Prime Day deal. This only appears on Prime Day, and it has to be set up for each Prime Day that's a Prime Day period that's taking place. So currently in Amazon US, there are 2 Prime Day periods. One of them takes place in the summer. The other one takes place kind of in the, I believe, like kind of in the holiday shopping era, and each one of those periods is 2 days long. So I had, for instance, if I set up a Prime Day discount for the summer Prime Day, it will only run for those 2 days. On Amazon. It won't appear for the next Prime Day deal that appears unless I set up an identical discount when the next Prime Day comes up. So in other words, if you see a Prime Day deal for this item, like this 30% off this type of beauty product, don't think that it's automatically going to show up the next time Prime Day rolls around. So that's one thing to keep in mind when you're browsing these Prime Day deals. Number 4, sometimes the coupons may be running as well while a Prime Day deal is going on. Now, most sellers don't do that because they want to be careful that they're not going to completely kill their margin. Because, of course, you don't want to have like a 53% off and then a 20% off coupon, because chances are that's just going to totally erase your margin. And then, you're kind of basically selling something that's below cost to customers. It's great for customers, great for Amazon, not so great for you, the seller. But what I sometimes see is that inexperienced sellers especially, they list something for a Prime Day deal and they forget they also have a coupon running. So in addition to the 30% off for the Prime Day deal, maybe they have a 15% off coupon. So those can really stack up if you discover them. Unfortunately, there's no easy way to find the Prime Day deals that also have a coupon running. But sometimes they turn up, and if they do, I would say jump on that, because chances are it's like it really is an unbelievable deal. Number 5, the offers on Prime Day, they're customized according to whether you're logged in and what you've done in the past. So for instance, when I log into Amazon, these are the Prime Day deals that show up on the front page, and it's not just like a random thing that I'm seeing lots of ads for socks and watches and weights. I'm seeing these things because I've shopped for them in the past. Like, I buy socks pretty frequently. My son, we got him a weight set for his birthday recently, so they're showing me that. Some things that they may show me because they know that I'm a male, I'm a middle-aged, so middle-aged males, they like things like, Gillette razors, so they'll show that to me. And on the top of the page, these are the most relevant things for me as a customer. My next door neighbor, who is also logged into Amazon Prime and looking at the Prime Day deals, she'll see something completely different. What she'll see will depend on what she's browsed in the past and what Amazon thinks of her as a customer in terms of income, in terms of gender, in terms of other factors. And as you scroll down this page, not everything I've browsed before, but a lot of them I have, or Amazon thinks for some reason, like I might like a bouncy castle. Actually, I don't need a bouncy castle because my kids are too old for that, but maybe they think, oh, well, he's middle-aged, he may have grandkids, so let's show that to him. So for whatever reason, these are customized according to interest. And the last thing, the sixth thing that I want to mention, like the sixth secret about Amazon Prime Day deals is it's limited by inventory. So as a seller, when I set up my Prime Day deals, like let's go back to the premium beauty product solutions, what I'm doing is I'm making sure that the Prime Day deals are either something that I can afford the margin and I have the available inventory to sell. I don't want to create a Prime Day deal for something that's going to sell out right away. Like I want to have lots of sales over the days for that particular item. So I'm going to make sure that I have lots of inventory available. But if it's a really good deal, like this appears to be a pretty good deal, 53% off, this thing will probably sell out really, really quickly. And once the inventory is gone, there's no more Prime Day deal. You can't get a rain check. You can't, come back the next day, even if the Prime Day period is still running, and get that offer if the inventory is just no longer there. So keep that in mind when you're browsing these particular items. If you see a message on the detail page, the Amazon detail page that says, only 9 in inventory left and it's a Prime Day deal, I would jump right on that because Amazon's not kidding around about the inventory about to run out. So do take advantage of that if it's listed as a Prime Day deal. This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. I hope this video helped you out. Like the video if it was helpful to you and follow me. And also if you look in the show notes, I'll have some links that may be helpful for you as you browse Prime Day deals. Thank you so much for watching.